Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and today we have the special Canada Day 150th anniversary special. And before we start the video, here's what we're going to be doing today. We have 150 or so firecrackers that we're going to be blowing up, some Canadian stuff and other stuff as well. Lots of variety, big stuff at the end, so make sure you watch the whole video. It's going to be super cool. But before we do that, let me just roll up the rim of my double here from the special Canada Day 150th anniversary roll-up from, of course, Tim Hortons. It says, Happy Canada 150th. I guess that means I lost. Let's try my other one. Win a coffee. All right, let's get started. No? Holy cow. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor and click that big red subscribe button right there. And also, check out some of my other videos by clicking the links on the screen.